Hello everyone, I'm Zazer A. Loto from Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, Torrejos Poblacion School of Arts and Trades, Marinduque, Philippines. I recently had the honor of attending the International Conference on Environment and Life Science held on May 29, 2025. I found the conference to be incredibly informative and meaningful. It was a great platform to learn from and connect with researchers, scholars, and professionals from various parts of the world. One of the highlights for me was the wide range of research topics presented. The diversity of perspectives and innovative ideas shared made the experience truly enriching. To future participants, don't miss the opportunity to be part of this inspiring event. Engage, learn, and share. There's so much to gain. And to the organizers, thank you for putting together such a well-structured and impactful conference. Your efforts are greatly appreciated. Thank you for the opportunity, and I look forward to joining more international conference events in the future.